primetime news this evening, life imprisonment for the former businessman Bunny Francis Killer's friend Killer to face court, and brace for more gas price hike. Petrojam sends warning as global oil market reels. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Shanella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. Have you changed any of your routines to deal with the increase in gasoline prices? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.
News headlines brought to you by